Welcome to the Service Center, eStorm's guide to Apple tech tips and tricks. On today's episode, we're going to be covering 5 Mac tips that I think you'll find very useful. Creating a text document. Say you've received an email that has important information you need to save, or you've found a recipe or some other piece of information online that you want to save. Mac makes this incredibly simple. All you have to do is highlight the text you want. So in this case, I want to highlight the ingredients and the method. Now, all you have to do is drag the text onto your desktop and Mac automatically turns it into a text file. Hide and darken your dock and menu bar. Sometimes, particularly on a smaller 11-inch or 13-inch MacBook, it can feel a little cramped. A simple way to free up screen real estate is to automatically hide your menu and dock. First, let's do the dock. Simply hit Command plus space to bring up the quick find bar, type in Settings, click Dock, and down here at the bottom you can click Automatically Hide and Show the Dock. Now to do this for the top menu, just click back to System Preferences, click General, now click Automatically Hide and Show the menu bar. Here you can also click the option to darken your menu bars by highlighting Use Dark Menu and Dock. Paste in plain text. Say you have a piece of text that's littered with icons, links, italics, bold font, and other formatting, but you just want the raw text. Mac allows you to paste without formatting. Simply copy your information. I'm hitting Command C. Now normally when you paste, it would just look like this. It would load in the images and it would keep all of the formatting. But if we hold Shift, Option, then Command V, Mac automatically removes all text formatting, icons, and coloring without needing to painstakingly fix your text manually. If you're like me, your desktop probably gets a little unruly at times. Old files seem to pile up, but dragging each file to the trash is slow and annoying. There's a simpler way to deal with files using Quick Delete. Simply select the files you want to remove by clicking and holding Command. Now, while continuing to hold Command, press Delete. Now you can right-click and clean up for good measure. Closing programs. It can be a bit of a hassle closing your applications and programs on a Mac. Mac likes to keep them open in the background for quick access, which you can see here with the dot under the application to notify that it's still open. This has always bugged me, and I don't know why. But instead of spending all your time going through the dock, right-clicking or double-clicking your applications and hitting quit, there's a much simpler, faster way to do this. To close applications quickly, hold Command plus Tab. This is how you would normally cycle through your apps, just holding down Command and cycling through with Tab. But if you continue to hold Command, tab through to the program you want to close, and now while continuing to hold Command, press Q. And I'll just do that for all these ones. It's a really simple way of closing your open apps. That's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. As always, leave a comment. Let me know if you found these tips useful so I can get more of these videos out to you. Let me know if you've got any tips that you use that probably aren't well known, and I'll see you in the next one.